Sandra Ortiz and Brian Chavez are among the 4 migrant families recently reunited in the U.S. by the Biden administration. The reunion came nearly 4 years after they were separated by the Trump administration as part of an effort to deter illegal immigration. More than 1,000 families have yet to come back together, and Newsy has learned at least 3 dozen families will get the chance to reunite in the coming weeks.
I'm hopeful that within the next 3 or 4 weeks, we will see another 3 dozen families come back.
League Alert is the lead counsel in an ongoing class action lawsuit the ACLU brought against the Trump administration's family separation policy. It's in settlement negotiations with the Biden White House. The Biden administration says these initial reunions are just the beginning of an ongoing effort to unravel Trump's zero-tolerance policy. The measure was officially in place from April to June 2018, though a pilot program started a year earlier separated some families too. More than 4 years after these measures, the whereabouts and status of many families remain far from clear.
The record keeping for the families that the government deported was very poor.
Kathleen Caron founded Justice in Motion, the court-appointed organization leading the effort to find and reunify families separated at the U.S.-Mexico border. In some cases, the full names and exact locations of deported parents were not recorded.
The worst record keeping was Jose sent back to Guatemala. And almost 3 years into this, we're still searching.
Initial searches began after the policy was reversed in 2018, and Dora Milera, an attorney working with the nonprofit, has been scavenging Honduras for dozens of parents separated from their children.
Aquí vamos subiendo ya la montaña, entramos a calle de tierra. Por fin llegamos a la comunidad donde vive el padre que andamos buscando.
Her quest often starts with little information, just the name of the child and parent and the parent's last known location. She'll travel there and talk with community members, hoping someone will offer a clue.
Tal vez los padres solo dieron una aldea, una ciudad, no dieron una dirección exacta. Algunos padres salieron del país por problemas de seguridad, entonces es un paso a paso, es casi una investigación de cero, ¿no?
Some parents don't want to be found. They're hiding from the danger they tried to escape years ago by crossing into the U.S. Others live in remote areas that are hard to reach. More commonly, they just don't trust her.
Uno de los casos que más me motivó realmente fue que cuando llegamos, hablamos con el papá. Él no había tenido acceso a comprar internet para poderse comunicar con el hijo. Conectamos la llamada del papá con el hijo y cuando ellos se reunieron, llegó la mamá, llegó la hermana, fue una emoción bastante grande porque tenían tiempo de no verlo y de hecho una de las impresiones que tuvo la hermana fue de wow, ¿cuánto has crecido?
Keldy Mabel Gonzalez Brebe de Zaniga recently reunited with her sons in the U.S. They were separated at the border nearly 4 years ago. Reuniting with her sons, Mino and Eric, required traveling across the border. A sign of hope for a better future, but a painful reminder of her family's greatest trauma.
She was really scared that she was just going to be detained at the U.S. border. There is fear, right? Like, it's hard to coach Geldi into trusting a government that separated her from her children.
Shira Tarlow, Newsy, Washington.